Hi, and welcome to 4J Media Live. Today we're going to talk about how to get started with Microsoft Access. So let's jump into it. Okay, so I've opened up Microsoft Access. And so I'm going to just go through this briefly just to show you the tools that they have. So let's check out asset tracking. Okay, so it's going to create a template for me to use. I'm going to enable the content. And I'm going to close that, and I'm going to close this. So basically what Access does is it creates a database where you can connect with an application and they can use that information and go back and forth. So it's a really cool app. So here's the other thing. When you hit create, you can add blank forms. So one right, one top, two right, two top, details, dialogue, list, media, message box, tabs, comments, contacts, issues, tasks, users. You can add a table, table design, SharePoint lists. Okay. Query wizard, query design, form design, blank form. And then they have the form wizard, navigation, more forms, report, report design, blank report, report wizard, labels, macro module, class module, Visual Basic, external data, a new data source, so from a file, from Excel, HTML document, XML, text, from a database, from SQL, from Azure, from online services, SharePoint list, data services, from other sources. Okay, so they have other options as well. You can save exports. This is the export, so you can export it as Excel, text, XML, PDF or XPS, email, Access, Word merge, SharePoint list, etc. They give you a lot of options, basically. Database tools, compact and repair database, Visual Basic, run macro, relationships, SharePoint, you can move the data to SharePoint. You can add add-ins. You can analyze the table, performance, and database document tenter, object dependencies, relationships, and then help. So help will give you basic information. You can do training, give feedback, and see what's new. So that's Microsoft Access in a nutshell. And I want you to check out my website, 4jmedia.com. I'm going to have an extensive course on this topic. It's called How to Get Started with Microsoft Access, the complete starter guide, which will basically take you from beginner to advanced. It's a very good course. I'm going to have it on Udemy and also on my website, 4jmedia.com. It will also be a part of my 4J Media Now membership, which is $29.99 a month, or $299 a year, or $500 for a lifetime membership, which means you get unlimited access to all my content for $500. And there's payment plans for that as well. So check that out, and thanks so much for watching, and make sure you check me out on social media, on Facebook at 4J Media 1, on YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram at 4J Media, and again at my website, 4jmedia.com, for more courses, blogs, and podcasts, and more information. There's a lot of great stuff there. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.